if you've noticed this week, but we have a little bit different way of doing reading. We have some creativity going on. We've got some missions, and this is mission 2. And in mission 2, we're going to use a program called Padlet. So when you clicked on the link, it should have taken you to your teacher's graffiti wall. This happens to be the one for my reading class, and I want to show you how to use Padlet. It's really simple. If you click on the plus sign over here, it pulls up a little box for you. You are going to choose a word from the word box above, and you're going to do some things with that word. The first thing you are going to do is type the word, and then give me a definition. Okay? Then anything you can remember about that word. I remember there are 8 planets that orbit my favorite planet is Saturn because it is pretty. Oops. Okay, so once you get your information typed in, there are some pretty fun things you can do. First, if you click on these 3 dots, it gives you a huge choice of things to do. So don't get overwhelmed. Just watch and I'll show you how some of them work. Okay. You can upload a picture from your computer. You guys don't have a lot saved on your computer, so a better choice would be to go to Google and search images. That's the quickest, easiest way to find a picture if you want to add a picture to your Padlet. So if I want to put Saturn, I could type in Saturn, I can hit go, and it brings up pictures of Saturn. Although back when I was looking at planets, I saw this one I like, and it puts in a moving picture. This is the one I really like. So I'm going to pick that one. So here's my little picture that I picked. I happened to pick a GIF. A GIF is a moving picture, but you can pick a still picture as well. And it only lets you add one thing though. So you have to decide, are you going to do a picture or are you going to do one of these other things that I'm going to show you? So that was our picture. You can take a picture from your camera. So maybe you want to draw something on a piece of paper, take a picture of it. You could do that. You could do a video from your camera. So maybe you want to draw a picture and then talk about it on a video. You can record your voice. To record your voice, all you have to do is hit play and talk about your planets. There are 9 planets in our, 8 planets. Pluto's not a planet anymore. 8 planets in our solar system. I can play back. Let me turn my sound on. Play and talk about your planets. There are 9 planets in our, 8 planets. Pluto's not a planet anymore. 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, so I messed up. I didn't like that. I can hit my back button and I can record again. I can do discard and restart and record again so that I have what I really want to have for my recording. Then when I stop, I play back and save. I'm going to enter a title and I'm going to save. And here is my recording. And restart and record again so that I have what I really want to have for my recording. Okay. If you want to work in full screen mode, you can do that. And record again and see so that I have what I really want. But really just playing it right here is just as easy. Now, I'm going to go back and show you a couple other things. You can draw. This is kind of a nice drawing tool as well. I kind of like it. It's a little bit easier to use than the one that's in Classic. So I'm going to make some stars. And I'm going to draw a planet. And then I'm going to give it some rings. If I can draw with this, you can draw with this because I'm terrible I'm terrible at using my computer. You guys are way better at it than I am. I think I want one more ring right in here. Gotta have a sound effect. So there's my planets. If I didn't like it, I could hit my eraser. But if I like it, I can hit save. Takes a minute. And there's my picture down here. Okay. When I have everything that I like and I'm done with my project, if I click off to the side, then there's my post. Now to make I call them sticky notes. To make your sticky notes stand out, you can make it a color. Okay, so I'm going to go blue because I love blue. You can also edit your post from here. So if there was something you didn't like, you can open it back up. Maybe I don't want that picture and I'm going to add something else. I can get there by these 3 dots after I'm finished. The other thing you can do is you can move your sticky note around the page. You can make it skinnier. You can make it a little fatter if you need to. But make sure that your sticky note isn't overlapping someone else's. So if you need to make it skinny so that everyone else's sticky notes can show too, make sure they're not overlapping each other so we can all see them. It might get a little tight, but I think we can make it work. So that's how you use Padlet. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your teacher.